Hello and welcome everyone. This is the friend Himal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update or upgrade your Kali Linux system to the latest version. This video is going to be a short one. I'll just give you the command. I'll just show you how to run the command to update your system. So at first, to upgrade your Kali Linux system, first of all, you need to go to the terminal. So the first step is to ensure that the source list is properly populated. It contains the proper list. So for that you need to type cd and you need to give the location of that file, sources.list. So and you must ensure that your sources list looks like this. If anything has sign or whatever it contains here, then you need to edit your source file. So in my case, the source file looks just fine, so I'm going to proceed to the installation. So for that you need to run another command, type sudo apt and you need to type update and you need to type your username password, and it may take a while, so you just need to wait and have patience until it is downloaded. And the speed of installation totally depends upon your network speed. So in my case 1072 packages can be upgraded. So now you need to run another command for the full system upgrade. So type sudo apt full and give hyphen, type upgrade and again hyphen y. So this command will upgrade your system. The time of the installation totally depends upon your internet speed, so make sure that you have good connection. So it may take a while, so you just need to sit back, relax and enjoy your coffee. So after the update is successfully installed, you need to delete some few packages which are installed because of the dependencies. So for that you need to type sudo and apt auto remove. So here we go, it may take a while, so type y. So after this process is done, you need to restart your system. So for that type sudo reboot. So the update is successfully installed. Now let me show you my version here. So for that I'm going to open the terminal and latest version 2024.3, which is the third update of this year. So in this way you can update and upgrade your system without any error. So in this way you can install the Kali Linux system updates. And hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll make this video if you like, share and subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.